Hi everyone, my name is Eugen. Today I want to tell you about the project our small team is working on. It's going to be a huge leap for 3D printing in GUI robotics. What you see in my hands is Teleoperated result of our technopark. It's really easy to build yourself, even without any special skills. Today, I'll explain what JUVANTIA is and how this park is actually work. Right here on this roof we have set up a small demo version. I'll show you live how the robots interact with the park's infrastructure. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how this demo looks and lights up at night. It's even more atmospheric and beautiful than during the day. The future park itself will be about 400 by 200 meters or maybe be bigger. To make it easier to imagine, let's move to open field of the exact same size. I'm standing here in an open area. This is exactly the size of the future JUVANTIA technopark. Let's go up so you can really see the scale. The park will be located on a flat open surface surrounded by a fence. Now we are switching to the 3D render to see it from the inside. This is a logistic box where the Robulus boats arrive and where their journey in JUVANTIA begins. In JUVANTIA, we call this robot Robulus. What you see here is my prototype 1GL. It has durable shell that protect the electronics from the blazing sun and heavy rain. But the most important part is this magnetic charger. The Robulus just drives up to the charging block, snaps on magnetically and charges itself without any human help. 3 to 4 hours at the base and it's ready to go again. How do you control it? This specific Robulus is built on a cheap ESP32S3 CAM board. You just need to install the park's firmware onto the boards and it instantly gives you full control over the robot. I'll be honest, before this project I had zero experience building robots, but today the infrastructure, components and 3D printing are so accessible that I call white building. I designed this show myself. Yes, it's looked terrible and incredibly cute at the same time. It was also designed with a bunch of mistakes that I planned to fix in my second build. Let's go back to our render. We start our journey from the logistic box. The Robulus don't drive in the mud. They move around the park on special rubber trucks, wide highways and local streets. On the left, we can see the Coliseum. It's a 12-meter concrete building for competitions. The goal is to capture the main room, which gives you free electricity and reordinations, and defend it from being taken over by other players. Now we have arrived at the first village. This is where the robots are stored and charged. On the render, you can see a 3D model of a domus. But let me show it to you in real life. It was assembled and installed right here on my roof. This test shelter is made of Formax plastic, but for real park we obviously need a stronger frame. A magnetic pogo pin connector is installed here for charging my Robulus, providing easy docking and beautiful ambient lighting. Each domus like this connects through a waterproof plug. It receives 12 volts, so every shelter needs to step down the voltage to 5 volts to power any ESP board. With this tab, I can control all lighting manually or shadow. Going back to our render, we expect here to be a lot of these shelters throughout the park. We leave the village and head to the center, our downtown. Right now, there are many buildings on the window, but on launch there will be 3 or 4. These are 12-meter towers built from metal profiles, polycarbonate and other common material. These are also residential buildings for the robots. Inside, there are elevators that can lift a robot to any of 20 levels. The internet is already full open source through the printable elevator models and shafts, so technically this is a solved problem. The rest of the buildings will appear gradually. The park will allocate land sectors and people will be able to build their own skyscrapers. Now I want to show you this specific tower, the Bambu Lab building, in more detail. This is a great example of how cool and stylish a multi-story structure can look. In our project, the front features a Bambu Lab siding, because the entire application and concept were created specifically for the Let's Make It Fund. How did the robots interact with the infrastructure and each other? Inside the firmware of the boards, there is a special internal JUVANTIA protocol for exchanging data between devices. Device discovery happens via Bluetooth. Here's an example how one jar is driving and hits a boom barrier. Let's say we bought 3 passes for this territory. Let's spend one. A short way and the gate opens. Let's spend another one. And another one. Now we can see we have 0 passes left, and now when we hit open gate again, the barrier stays closed. We need to buy new passes. I'll explain more about how the payment mechanics work in the next episodes. Social interaction works exactly the same way. Meet another robot, hip scan, select your neighbor, send a message, and the operator on the other side of the planet receive that message right the interface. If we talk about the global goal of our project, our main mission is creating a role-play economy model. This isn't just a playground for RC cars, it's a real engine that brings meaning to the park for every enthusiast. Here, every robot chooses its own role, plays it out, and earns from becoming a full-fledged economics player. Someone builds toll gates and charges for entry, someone cleans dust off banners, someone flips over robots that crash it, and someone gets hired by the park to catch troublemakers. There are endless examples to the park real economy will make these roles and people will take them. The entire tactical plan for our park has been worked out to the smallest detail, and I am ready to answer absolutely any technical question for the judges might have. Where will park be located? Most likely in northern Greece. We have already contacted local government representatives. Our goals align perfectly. They have to close down all factories and mines, and their current goal is to adapt this territory for a new digital economy. They are interested in our park and are waiting for specifics from us, and we are ready to give them specifics as soon as we select it for their Let's Make It Fund. I completely understand and share the goals of your fund. I believe Bambu Labs is leading the way towards a new era of global engineering, creativity and innovation. Is our project ambitions? Absolutely. But is it realistic? 100%. Every single part of this planet out and technically feasible today. Will this part bring endless attention to the Bambu Lab brand? Hey, wait a minute. This is a real physical robot living on their own city 24/7. It is an endless eternal generator of news, streams and content. All the fund invested in this grant will be paid off many times over for Bambu Lab. I am ready to answer any additional questions of doubts and defend every single detail of this project. Thank you for your time. Let's build the future together.
Two hours later.